I need to change the air hose on my little portable air tank I like to take with me in my trucks. This one has gotten old and it started leaking around there, so it wouldn't hold air for very long. Let's see, adjust in there. Yeah, got a crack in it there. Well, this new hose I ordered, this piece here was a slightly different thread, so it wasn't going to screw into the tank, so I'm just going to cut this hose off here and use this new hose. But you can actually remove these little pressed on collars, and I put a cut in there with my hacksaw, and you could also use a angle grinder with a thin metal cutoff blade. Use some pliers and this flathead screwdriver. You can pry that little dude right off of there. And inside of there, let's see here. Got to get kind of rough with it. Let's see. Grab the pliers and just kind of tear that thing off. Alright, got that collar tore off. There it is, all opened up. Now we gotta get this hose off that fitting. Get it.
Ha!
Huh?
Don't scare me.
What are you up to, Merlin?
Nothing. Yep, nothing.
Alright, I got it.
Big gun.
There it is.
Will it still shoot without bullets in it?
No, it won't. Hold on, Merlin. I'm making a YouTube video. So, now I can reuse this fitting here. It's got the right threads to go into the tank. And I can cut that hose and just slide it right on there and use a hose clamp. So, you can reuse these fittings with those pressed on collars that way.